a morning special, camera guy. I'm the camera guy.
You're the camera guy.
I'm the camera guy.
Come on.
It's a
Camera
morning,
guy. I'm the shortcut guy.
Show shortcut. It's a morning special.
This is the morning special. This is the
special.
breakfast hour. This is a two-part special.
For breakfast.
For breakfast, we're going to show you how to make two cracking dishes with virtually the same ingredients.
Okay, so what's the first one? What are you doing for us?
Right, this first one that we're going to be doing is a grilled cheese. Cheese, herb, and chili.
Ooh,
absolutely delicious.
Sounds very good.
It
All
is.
right.
It's fantastic.
Okay.
Yep.
So without further ado, let's get going. Okay.
Let's get
All right.
going. Right, shortcutters. For our first breakfast, this is a classic grilled cheese with an absolute twist. If you like something spicy, tasty, this is the one for you guys. Please remember to like what you see here today, please subscribe. And if you don't like what you see, please subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Always
Okay,
subscribe.
should we go through ingredients, camera guy?
Yeah, what have you got there? You
Are
got
you
a beer
ready?
in the morning. What's going on here?
Oh no, we
picked
just,
up on a bit of
it's
a beer.
breakfast, we'll just have a little swift, you won't go, you know.
Okay, I like that style.
Okay, of course, if it's grilled cheese, we need bread. 2 slices of nice
White
thick
bread.
white bread. There we go.
Okay.
We've got some lovely grated mozzarella here. And we've got some lovely herbs, which are
What are your herbs? Boring old basil again?
boring old basil, mint and coriander.
Ooh.
If you don't like these,
Okay.
you put whatever herbs you prefer. As long as they're soft herbs. Must be soft herbs, not the hard ones.
What's a hard herb?
Your rosemary, thyme, all of those types.
What's our other soft herbs?
You've got nice flat leaf parsley, chives, a whole host of things.
Okay.
Right, so, should we get cracking here?
Let's get crack the egg.
No, we're not cracking eggs on this one.
Oh, no cracked eggs?
No.
Okay, well then crack a joke.
Right, here we go. Okay, we're going to take our 2 slices of bread and we're going to butter these on both sides. Just a nice light buttering. I need to drown this in butter. There we go. Then we're going to take our herbs. We need half of these herbs. This is a 2-part series because we're actually showing you the 2 dishes. So keep half. We're going to use the first half of these herbs for this dish. Okay, roll those up nice and tight like we've shown you in the previous videos. Right. Let's finely slice these.
Is this a vegetarian again?
It's vegetarian, camera guy. Okay, so that's our herbs. We're going to take half this cheese because we need the other half for part 2. Part 2. Is that right? Deux?
But deux. No, I
Okay.
don't know.
There's half our cheese.
Deux.
Right.
We'll have
There
to
we
ask
go.
French subscribers.
Our nice herbs. We're going to season this. A little bit salt and pepper. So here goes our pepper. Not too many turns, just 2 or 3 turns, or 4 or 5. I don't know who's counting. Some of you guys do count. I know that.
Yeah.
Right.
And if you forget,
Little bit
you
salt.
can ask us in our comments, and we will reply.
Okay. We're going to mix that together. We're going to toss that together, camera guy.
Tosser.
Have a good tosser, camera
Nice
guy.
tosser.
Okay. Let's pile that onto our bread. Oh, look at this. I can eat this already.
No, you can't. It's raw.
Oh, sorry. Right. Then we've got a lovely little jalapeno sauce here. Quite fiery. So depending on how hot you like your sandwich. Okay.
Jalapeno sauce.
So I'm going to put a bit of that on there. I like it hot, so I'm going to be
You like it hot.
liberal with that.
Some like it
Liberal,
hot.
is that the right word? Or?
Liberal is the
Oh,
right
I
word.
don't know. Okay, pop that on
Okay.
top. Okay, now we're good to go. So, normally a grilled cheese you do in a pan. I know that's the traditional Yankee style, but
Yeah.
here in good old Rainbow Nation, we're going to do it a little bit differently.
Okay.
We're going to do it in the sandwich press.
Sandwich press. The toasted
This
sandwich.
is our
maker.
panini press.
Yeah.
So, in we go with that. That's going to take all of 2 minutes or so, and we're ready to go.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, we're going to do our little
Yeah, you can do your dance, little victory dance.
Oh, shit.
Oh no, don't do that.
That's what you should be catching.
Yeah, no, don't do that.
Don't do that.
So next time you want to do a dance in the morning, try and leave your sandwich press alone. It's the only thing that will ever dance with you. But, oh, there's old Doogie in the background.
Have we got Doogie? Maybe I should stick some of this chili sauce in my eye.
No, I don't think you should do that.
You sure?
Yeah, I think you should be doing that.
Okay, we've been on for about 2 minutes now. It's looking tremendous. Camera guy, what do you think of this?
Now let's have a look.
Right.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at that.
Okay.
It's crispy, it's
Yes.
crunchy, it's oozing cheese, which is exactly what we're after. Cut that in half. Lovely. On your plate, and you're ready to eat. I think that took us how long, camera guy?
No, too quick. I don't
Huh?
even think I got some good footage here. Too quick. Yeah, no, it's looking good. Are
Yeah.
we going to eat that now?
We're going to snack attack
Breakfast.
this. We're going to snack attack this.
that.
So this is part 1 of our 2 parts, so don't go away.